A moderate magnitude 3.7 earthquake occurred in the Tasman Sea 106 kilometers, 66 miles from New Zealand in the morning of Tuesday, July 8, 2025 at 7:16 a.m. local time, GMT +12. The quake had a very shallow depth of 12 kilometers, 7 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GeoNet, NZ, after 10 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.